What's up, everybody? Back with another video again. As promised, I am gonna do my wheels today. I just finished the S2000, and if you didn't see that video, click the link on below. I have the video on the description. Yeah, we gotta get the car done before the show. The show is on Saturday. Let's take a look at the wheels I'm doing right now. Alright, so I got the WCI wheels. These are, if anybody asks for the specs, these are, the rears are 18 by 12s with a 5-inch lip, and then the fronts are 18 by 11s with a 4-inch lip. And yeah, they are stretch. These are massive. They are stretch with a black barrel. And here's the tire stickers, so I could give you an idea. So it's gonna be kind of like this. Watch. Grab this one. Okay. Keep falling. All right. So it's gonna be like this. Toyo tires. Right. Let me see if I can stick. Okay. So it's gonna be something like this, right? And then I'm gonna add like the red stripes. I'm gonna add the red stripes. See how it looks. If it looks really weird, or if I'm doing too much, or if it looks weird, then I'm guessing I'm not gonna put this. I'm just gonna add the Toyo tires right here, and then it's gonna be another stick on the bottom. Just keep it really nice and simple. I don't want to do too much extra, because then the car is gonna look weird. But we'll see. I'm gonna start this one right now. I do got the acetona. That's why I'm gonna clean the wheels. I have no grease, nothing. And my little knife. So I could cut the extra plastic, because I will see where it actually is gonna sit. I'm not just like second guessing, you know. So I'm gonna cut the extra plastic on it. So, all right. So let's stop talking and let's get to this video. All right, let's get started. So I got the glue right here. Glue. Alright, let me clean up the wheel. You gotta cut these little hairs. Let me see if I can show you guys. Can you see it? It's like these little hairs on the wheels. So when man, that's annoying. Oh no, I'm gonna have to find something else. All right.
Want me to get the nail clipper?
Go get the nail clipper? Yeah. Alright guys, don't use a knife, it ain't work for me, so we're gonna use the nail clipper. Alright, so the bottom is good. The bottom so it can stay flush. The teeth kind of just like a tiny popping out, but I can fix that. So now I'm gonna start gluing. So it'll be like this. See how this looks. Alright, so then we'll have something like this. Alright, so like an example, so I want to see some tires, right? Retarded. Nope. I can already tell there's not enough space. Alright, so I put it on the floor because I want the sticker to match in the center like this. I don't want that shit looking crazy, you know. So I'm that type of guy, like all my shit looking like perfect or almost perfect, you know. Alright guys, so I got them done. While I was doing them, my camera died, so I had to charge the battery. But this is the final finish. I was thinking about putting these on the red stripes, but I felt like it was like too much. Like, I'll show you like an example. This is how like it will like look. What you guys think? I was gonna do it, but I don't know, maybe I'll change my mind. Once it's on the car, I'm gonna put them on, see if it make a difference. But honestly, I kinda like it like this, just with the Toyo tires. Looks really nice, black and white. Alright, so now the moment y'all been waiting for, I'm gonna slap these on today. So I'm gonna have to get my jack, get my impact, and then we should be all set. Alright guys, I got the wheels on. Yo, this shit look crazy. What you guys think? This look crazy. Let me zoom out so you guys can see perfect. There you go. Yo, what you guys think? Got the tire sticker right there, and little details. And there's the rears. Yo, I can't wait. I can't wait. What you guys think about this? It's all aired out. I just gotta polish the wheels. Tomorrow I'm gonna detail the car. I'm gonna detail the inside too also. But look at the shine though. And it's a little dirty too. It's a little dirty. Wow, that should look great. Nice. Well, there you have it. It was a short little video doing the tire stickers. On the car show, I am gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna do some roller shots, get some picture shots. I'm doing everything. I'm doing it all. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Yo, I just can't. Yo, the funness is crazy. I can't. But anyways, hope you like the video. Like, subscribe. Stay tuned. Share this to your friends, family, or any SOK owners. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss no videos. And yeah, alright, see you next time.